Hey everyone, this is Amir. So I used to actually be an affiliate marketer. I don't do it regularly anymore, just once in a long while when there's a product that I really believe in and know has like helped me in the past with when I was more into affiliate marketing and making money online and all that good stuff. Now, EasyVSL in particular, okay, it's one of the first products that I ever reviewed 9 years ago. Matter of fact, you go on YouTube, you search for EasyVSL demo, and you're going to see one of the first non advertisement videos here is my EasyVSL demo from 9 years ago, which is I was playing with the title recently just to get more hits, honestly, but this is not EasyVSL 3.0, it's an EasyVSL 1. And back, so I'm very familiar with the product. And the VSL, first of all, for those who don't know, that stands for Video Sales Letter. This kind of evolved, this is kind of the beginning of what we see today with, for example, YouTube Shorts, where you'll see a video on the screen, and the words that are being spoken in the video are displayed on the screen. So, for example, if someone says, "Hello, my name is George," you'll see like George, and then it'll say the text right there as well. Stuff like that. I don't know if that makes sense, but soon we're gonna see it, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Anyways, obviously 9 years ago, AI wasn't really anything like what it is today, and so there have been 3 versions of EasyVSL. We're now looking at EasyVSL 4.0, which comes out on October 8th. Okay, and the difference between EasyVSL 4.0 and all of its predecessors is actually very important. This one leverages AI. This version of EasyVSL is leveraging AI to create the most powerful version yet. We're going to look at it in just a second, but I want to run through some of the features. Okay? AI-powered text-to-script creation. So in other words, just like the original EasyVSL, the way it works is you have a video script. You paste that script into EasyVSL, and then it basically does the rest for you. Now the difference is now you're going to have all of these AI voices to choose from, and AI, as it says here, and instead of just having the same slide background and the same theme throughout, like the old versions of EasyVSL, now you're going to have EasyVSL's AI technology kick in and generate your video slides based on, so they're going to be unique is what it sounds like. Now we're going to test it out, see if that's true, but it sounds like the slides are going to be dynamic and unique based on your script. And it kind of gets into the next bullet point, versatile video styles. Choose from traditional slideshows, kinetic typography, or live action styles. Extensive design options, AI-powered slide and auto transition, auto sync. That means add and synchronize audio tracks effortlessly, ensuring your narration matches your visuals perfectly, keeping everything in sync. AI-powered video backgrounds. EasyVSL, again, notice AI is the theme here. That's what makes this product not just another version of the same thing. This is the most changes we have seen in EasyVSL, which is a very popular product, and this is the biggest release by far of the EasyVSL series. So AI-powered video background, which matches relevant video backgrounds to the text on each slide. I talked about that a moment. I kind of speculated on that a moment ago, but it looks to be true. And this is big too. High quality stock assets, dynamic scene effects. We talked about it being dynamic, and smooth transitions, and a user-friendly interface. The user-friendly interface has been a common theme throughout all versions of EasyVSL in my experience. One of the reasons I love this software. But with that said, I want to actually be able to show you what it is. So let's get into that.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create kinetic topography videos. So the first thing you're going to do is click on create new video, and then this is my topo example. All right, click on new, and then so you're going to want to click on create new kinetic topography. So start creating videos. And so similar to the classic videos, if you watch that, you're going to be able to start from scratch, copy and paste, or you can upload your voiceover. Again, upload your voiceover. That feature is available for Creative Club members. But what I'm going to do, again, you can start from scratch if you want to, or you can copy and paste. I always recommend copying and pasting your script. Now, the thing to keep in mind, and I'll show you as we walk through this, I'm going to click that, and now you're going to copy your script. So let me just go and do that. And I'm going to click on paste, and so it removes all the line breaks, so we're good to go. So remember, with this, you want to have short, punchy sentences. You don't want to have a ton of words because the templates don't allow you to have long, drawn-out slides. So that's perfect. I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to select which animation or topography video I want to use. So there's lots of different ones to choose from. Again, if you have the Creative Club, you'll be able to see more templates than if you're not. I believe the professional, you get just a small handful. There's 5 or 10. But for this example, I'm going to click on this one. And so now you can see what it's going to look like. So as I told you before, you want to have really short sentences, so you can see it's kind of, so this is what the first slide is going to look like, second, third, and so on and so forth. You can tweak it as you need to, and so it's just going to give you a preview, and then click on next. Now it's going to create those slides. This could take a couple seconds, could take up to a minute depending on how long it is. And so here we go. So now you can see all of the slides are built out, so I didn't really have to do anything. And then you click on next, and so now I need to do my transitions. So I'm going to start adding my audio. So if I have like a background track that I wanted to add, I think I have like this like kind of high impact one, but you could always choose from one of our background music. So feel free to do that. If you have Creative Club, you can go through here and play one and see, and insert it right from here. This one I kind of handpicked, so you may not be able to hear it, but it's got a cool like little like high impact for this type of video. So anyway, so now I'm going to, if you have a voiceover, great. You're able to go ahead and upload that. So I'm going to do that. So here's my Kinetic voiceover. And so now you may not be able to hear it because, but just so you know, when I'm going to play this, it will play my voiceover as well. And so now you have, just like in the classic style videos, you have two options. You can do the auto sync option. I'll do that next, or you can do the manual option. So the manual option is once you click on play, you're going to hear my voiceover, and I can set the slide transition. So all you're doing is just telling the software, hey, transition and go to the next slide at this mark. So I'm going to click on play, and the voiceover is going to start. Ready to boost your productivity? Here's how. Start your day with a clear goal and focus. Prioritize All right, so I just go through that, and I actually, this was a little loud, so I'm going to actually back this down so you can hear my voiceover. But I would just go through the entire presentation, and I would make my mark. So you can see here, transitions at the 4-second mark, the 6-second mark, the 10-second. And so now as I start to play this, obviously the transitions are going to, so you can see here as, so it'll match with the voiceover. Now the other option to do is I'm going to remove the markers, and you can do the auto sync. So if you have the Creative Club membership, you can click on sync and automatically use our AI sync technology to map the voiceover with your slides. So I'm going to click that. And it's going to ask which file is it. So I'm going to use my voiceover file. And which language is it? It's English. And I'm going to click on generate. And so now it's going to do auto detecting speech, and it's automatically going to make my transition marks for me. So it just did that for me, and I am good to go. So now what I may want to do is say, okay, I'm going to clip this a little short because right now it's set for 2 minutes and 45 seconds. I want to do it so it ends right here. So I'm going to do 25. So we'll do 30 seconds. So I'm just going to change this to 30 seconds. And now we're good to go. So it will end after 30 seconds. Click on publish. Give it a destination. I'm just going to say I want it on my desktop. publish video, and this will take a couple minutes. So it'll render the slides, and I'll just pause it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so the video is done. So I'm just going to go ahead and click play. You may not be able to hear it just because I don't think it's recording my system audio, but in fact, so now you can hear the background track and then my voiceover. And you can see kind of how cool the, like how appealing the Kinetic style videos are. So as you can see, took a couple minutes just to create this style video. So very, very cool. So that's all you need to do.
So I hope you found that demo helpful, and you can just see and imagine the possibilities of how great this new version of EasyVSL 4 is. And I don't know if anyone actually caught the note that I left on the bottom of that demo, but I will be including my own demo very soon. Once I have my own access to EasyVSL 4. It's coming out in about a month, so I should have it pretty soon. But as you can see, like just going through the sales page here, you know, and I'm just looking at all the possibilities here. Of course, video sales letters, and you see like the templates and designs we have to work with this time around are just completely, just so much better than the previous versions, and what makes it even more exciting is that we're leveraging AI. You'd also see, again, that we talk about this, it's really just a 4-step process. At the most basic level, you paste your script, and then the AI-powered engine automatically builds out your presentation for you. Then you're going to choose your design and effects. If anyone remembers EasyVSL 1, the designs that we had to choose from were very basic. Now there's much more dynamic. There's much more to choose from. It's really exciting. Sync your audio files with the slides, and I mean, just look up here and you can see the possibilities. It syncs your voiceover with your slides for you, one-click synchronization. So then from there you publish to any format any video format you'd like. So you know, there's a link below this video where you can come to this page yourself and explore and everything like that. Again, it's not out yet, so there's nothing to buy. I'm not telling you anything right now. There is actually a button here, but I don't think, yeah, so the cart is actually not open until I believe it was the 10th. But you know, we'll talk about more as I get into more of my videos, and we'll also talk about some of the upsells that are available. But this video has been going on long enough, and I don't want to bore everyone to death. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe again so that when I post new videos, you will get notifications on EasyVSL 4. All right.